What is your name? Sir. So what is your name?
Sir, my name is Anchal.
Achal. Achal, so please tell me about yourself.
Sir, my name is Anchal Ojha. My father name is Mr. Dinesh Kumar Ojha. Basically, I'm from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. About my family, there are 5 members in my family, including me. About my qualification, I had completing my school from Saraswati School in year 2019. After my schooling, I had completed my graduation from APS University Rewa in year 2022. After my graduation, I had completed my full stack development certification from ProSkill Hub.
Achal, what are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies is listening song and playing cricket.
What are your strengths?
My strength is discipline and self-motivated.
What are your weaknesses?
Sir, my weakness is English, but I'm working on it.
So why do you choose to make your career in IT sector?
After completing my graduation, I am searching job. So my elder brother has guided me in a IT companies. So my own growth, I will choose the IT company.
What are the languages you have covered during your full stack development certification?
In a full stack development certification, I cover two languages. First is a front end and second is a backend. In a backend, Ruby on Rails, databases MySQL, and in a front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap.
Okay. Are you a fresher or experienced?
So I'm experienced from 6 months.
You have 6 months of experience, okay? So have you made any project?
Yes, sir. I had completed two projects. First is city information, and second is e-commerce.
Explain your recent project, please.
Okay, sir. Sir, my recent project is e-commerce, which is based on e-commerce like Flipkart, Amazon, etc. There is a many functionalities and features are added, but my role is authentication and authorization. Authentication and authorization is created with the help of gem device and also give the role of admin, supplier and customer with the help of rolify gem, where admin role is a control the admin panel, also control it customer and supplier, and supplier role is add the product to add card and also handle the customer product, and customer role is he add the product to add product card and also give the functionalities of payment gateway method.
So, actually, what is the name of the company you're working for?
So IT solution pro skill hub.
What is the working schedule there?
Sir, my working schedule is 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Why do you want to switch the company?
Because Riva is a small city, there is no opportunity of IT companies. So my own growth, I will switch the other companies.
We'll just move into the technical part. What is scaffolding?
Scaffolding is a quick way measure to generate a controller view and model. When we create a controller view and model in a single pieces of application, so scaffolding is a base tool job and it is also performed the CUD operation like delete, create, update, etc.
What is ORM?
ORM is stand for Object Relational Mapping. It is based on Ruby, active Ruby library, and it is used for the manipulate data in a databases.
Okay. What is resourceful routing?
Resourceful routing is resourceful routing is a Um, stand for mapping the HTTP verbs and URL.
What is migration?
Migration on a Ruby on Rails, migration uses a handle and control the schema of application.
What is active storage?
Active storage is used for the store the file of cloud resources like Amazon resources and HTML and HML.
What is helpers in Rails?
What, sir?
What is helpers? Helpers in Rails.
Helper is a module. It is used for only on the view of different view of application.
What is concern?
Concern is a in a Ruby on Rails. Concern is a involved in an application. When we created a new application, so concern is automatically involved in application, and it stored the common data of an application.
Also, we can reuse. Okay. So, what is the purpose of action mailer in Rails?
Action mailer is used for the application for send and receive the mailer. Firstly, we can create an application and also generate a action mailer action mailer landing page, and it provides the user sends and receive the mailer, and it is used for the action view controller model.
What is Capistrano?
Capistrano is a use for the application for uh, deploy the application of our Ruby on Rails.
What is turbo links?
Turbolinks. Turbolink is used for the application for faster the our land, faster the our application page, and it is used for the when we created an application and used for any other pages also.
What is HEML? HML.
HTML is a stand for HTML hyper abstraction language, and it is used for the no idea, sir. Sorry.
What is association?
Association is a communi- association is a give the communication between two active record model. There is a okay, sir.
What are different types of association in Rails?
There are several type of association in our real application. First is a has many through and has through association and belongs to through association.
Okay, so what is polymorphism?
Polymorphism is a combination of two words. Poly means many and morphism means form. An object having different behavior. So it's called a polymorphism.
Give me a real life example of abstraction.
The real life example of abstraction is a smartphone. We use a smartphone for our requirement for messaging, calling, and other features, but we don't know how it is work.
What is the difference between multi-level and multiple inheritance?
Multi-level inheritance is used for one parents classes and two more than child classes, and multiple inheritance is used for one or two more than parents classes and multiple child classes.
Okay. So, what is inheritance?
Inheritance is used for the mechanism of object-oriented programming language. Co- it is inherit the property of one class to another classes.
Okay. What is access specifiers?
Access specifier is also called access modifier. It is a used for the control the accessibility and visibility of a method. There is a three type of access modifier. First is a public, second is a protect, and third is a private.
Okay. What are SQL joins?
SQL join is a combination of two or more than other table. It is at four type of. First is a inner join, second is a self join, third is a cross join, and fourth is a outer join. And outer join has also two type. First is a right join, and second is a left join.
What is alias command?
Alias command, no idea, sir.
Okay. What is GitHub? Why we use GitHub?
GitHub is a use. GitHub is used for the store the longer time of our data in a application. It is used for the two or more than other people where combine the project from GitHub, and it used for anytime and anywhere.
What is respect?
Respect is a respect is a library of Ruby on Rails, and it is a communication of active job. And rescue is a used for tool library.
What is mocking?
Mocking. Mocking is a fake way when we created an application from our Ruby on Rails. It is used for the fake way to conversation.
Okay. What are the features of Ruby on Rails?
The features of Ruby on Rails is a MVC, active record, ORM, and active job, and there are many features of Ruby on Rails.
Okay. What is the purpose of active job in Rails?
Active job is used for the application for it is a also based on ORM, and it is a Ruby on Rails active job library.
Okay. So what is encapsulation?
Encapsulation is a concept of object oriented programming language. It means the bind the data in a single unit. It's called encapsulation.
What is the difference between overriding polymorphism and overloading polymorphism?
Overloading polymorphism is also called a compile time polymorphism. When we create a method in a same name and same classes but different argument is called overloading polymorphism. And overriding polymorphism is also called runtime polymorphism. When we create a method from a same name but different classes is called overriding polymorphism.
Also, what's your salary expectation?
So my salary expectation is 4 to 5 LP.
Done.